We're going to learn to draw a diagram showing the relations of hyoglossus. Using a black color, first draw the mandible bone. Below and behind, draw the hyoid bone. Now, trace the outline of the tongue using a pink color. Now, let's draw the muscles of the tongue using a brown color. First, the genioglossus. It's a large, fan-shaped muscle forming the bulk of the tongue. It starts from the superior genitorubricle and helps in protrusion of the tongue. The next muscle will be the hyoglossus. It's a quadrangular muscle starting from the body and the greater horn of the hyoid. It helps to depress the tongue. Then draw the geniohyoid from the inferior genitorubricle to the hyoid. Following, let's draw the styloglossus from the styloid process to the tongue. It retracts a protruded tongue. Now, let's start drawing the structures lying superficial to hyoglossus. First, using an orange color, draw the deep part of the submandibular gland. The mylohyoid muscle separates the submandibular gland into a superficial and a deeper part. From the deeper part, draw the submandibular duct or the Wharton's duct. This duct runs forward medially to open into the floor of the mouth near the summit of the sublingual papillae. Few of the ducts of the sublingual salivary glands will drain into the submandibular duct. The next important structure is the lingual nerve, usually drawn with an yellow color. It is one of the branch of the posterior division of the mandibular nerve. It passes medial to the third molar in relation to the mandible. It comes over the hyoglossus where through two roots it forms the submandibular ganglion. Submandibular ganglion is a relay for a parasympathetic secretomotor fibers of the submandibular and the sublingual salivary glands. The fibers starts from the superior salivatory nucleus, passes through the facial nerve, then to the chorda tympani nerve to join the lingual nerve. The lingual nerve then proceeds forward over the hyoglossus and near its anterior border forms a triple relation to the submandibular duct. First, it lies superficial or lateral to the duct, passes below it and turns upwards, lying deep or medial to the duct. And then it divides into its terminal branches, supplying the mucosa of the anterior two-thirds of the tongue. It carries general sensation and special taste sensation through its chorda tympanic connection. Below, we have to draw the hypoglossal nerve, which is motor supply to all the muscles of the tongue except the palatoglossus. Along this nerve, draw the venae commitans, which form the deep lingual vein using a blue color. Coming to the structures passing along the posterior border, entering the deep surface of the hyoglossus from above downwards. First, draw the glossopharyngeal nerve, which takes general and taste sensation from the posterior one-third of the tongue along with the circumvallate papillae. Below it, draw the stylohyoid ligament, then the lingual artery, which is the major arterial supply of the tongue. This is an important diagram as this could be used for many essay and short note questions in anatomy. Thank you.